Hi, friends! Today we are going to draw Zara and her beautiful flower girl dress. So, what we'll start with the head. So, let's go ahead and draw a large curve right about in the center of your paper, like so. And Zara, she wears glasses. So, what we're going to do, so you're going to start on one side like so, and we'll just draw a line here, and we're going to curve it slightly at the bottom. We're going to take at the top of the glasses, let's take that over to the middle. So you will curve it slightly down. It's not straight across, but slightly down at the bottom, at the end of that line. And so you'll try to center that as best as you can. And we'll so again, you're going to start on the side, bring it over, and then this bottom part we're going to bring it over as well, like so. And then glasses have that middle part, so you'll put a little tiny line in the middle like that, really small. And what we're going to do is draw the other side, what we do to one side, and I'm just going to take that over to the other side to draw the other side of the glasses, like so. And we'll bring a line down here that connects with the head, and we'll bring it over. We'll bring from the middle, we'll draw a little middle line, and then you'll bring that down and around, and there we have her glasses. And what I'm going to do next, to make the frame of the glasses, I'm just going to draw lines on the inside that are the same shape of what we just drew. So you're basically just following that same line all the way across, all the way around, to draw the frame of the glasses. And whenever you need to pause or rewind, please do so, if that will help you with the lines of the glasses, because I know it can be, there's several different directions going on. So we'll finish this and just continue tracing or following that line to create your frame of the glasses, like so. And there we have the glasses fully drawn. What we're going to do is go ahead and draw her eyes. We're going to draw a curve, an upside down U. Let's do that here, right about here. Draw your upside down U, close that with a straight line, and again on the other side, upside down U. We're going to close that U with a straight line across, like so. And for her eyes, we're just going to do two curves. We're going to her eyes are going to go from the top to the bottom of her eye. So we're going to do two curves on the side, like so. Or two large parentheses, two curved lines, two parentheses. And we'll create the little highlights in our eyes, like so, just drawing two little dots there. And now let's color in the middle. And now we're going to give her eyelashes. So we'll do one curve from the top out like that, and two more at the bottom, a little smaller. Again, one curve at the top that's a little longer than the other two, and then two small lashes underneath, like so. She's coming to life, isn't she? So let's go ahead next and let's give her her nose. And we'll give her a little button nose right here, a cute little nose. And you'll just do that with a curve, a small curved line. If you want, you can bring it around on the top, and you'll connect those two lines like so. It's almost, I guess you can say it's like it looks like a backward C, and you'll do that there. And there's her cute little nose. And next, let's go ahead and let's draw her mouth. We're going to take a line, a long curved line. And we'll start it right about here, and curve it across. And we'll give her smile lines right there. That creates her cheeks. And then next, she's actually going to have an open smile. So we're going to bring a line down like so. And from here, you can either leave it like that, or you can color in the inside. That creates like an open smile. You can add teeth. You can add lips if you'd like. It's all up to you and what you want to do for your drawing. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to color this in a little. I may go back later and add teeth, and I may add lips later, but let's see what this looks like right now. You can always change up your drawings. Be creative, and if you don't like something, you can always go back and change it. So actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in. I want to see what it'll look like all filled in, because I know later I can go back and add teeth just with adding some white to the inside. So what we'll do from here, let's go ahead and give her eyebrows. And so we'll put her eyebrows right there, and you'll just draw a curved line like so, and we'll draw another curved line on this side, slightly curved like so, and to make it a little thicker, we'll just bring that line around and connect it to the end and fill that in. You'll bring that line around and you'll just fill it in, or you can just color it in until you get the size that you want. Like, there we go. There's her eyebrows. And let's go ahead and draw her lines, the lines for her neck. And you'll do two curves like so, like that, and like that. And we'll draw the neckline of her dress, and that's just a curve. And we'll bring two lines down to start the sleeve of her dress. And we'll bring this down, and you'll put a line there in the middle, and you'll just connect that with those lines. Let's go ahead and draw her hair. So remember our cloud shapes or waves. You'll just draw some wavy lines to give the hair that you want. Her natural, beautiful, natural hair. We're just going to use some wave lines or cloud lines. And I'll bring it down here. And her hair is out and down and beautiful. And she has a bow in her hair. So let's start with the line here. We'll curve it over. Bring this line down. We're going to curve it under like so. We're going to draw a circle here in the middle, or a square. You can do a circle or a square for the middle of the bow. And then we're going to repeat the same side. A line going over, a line going down, and a line underneath to connect it, like so. And you can draw two little lines on the inside for details. And then we're going to finish her hair that's going around her bow. More cloud lines or wave lines. And you can add them wherever you like. You can make her hair longer. You can make it shorter. And I'm just going to bring it down some around her neck, the top of her neck. And she has beautiful, beautiful natural hair. Here she's wearing earrings. I guess you could say that's more like the shape of a raindrop, maybe. You'll draw a raindrop and you'll connect that to her face, and then you'll add two little circles for her earrings. And down here for her dress, we're going to take a line out and you'll just curve it out, almost like you're drawing just a tree branch or just a line going out. And she's wearing a tulle, very fluffy tulle dress. It's her flower girl dress. And so to create the image or the shape of tulle, right here what I'm doing, let me show you on this paper. We'll take a line, just a short line like so. And you're going to take it up and over like a Z, think of a long Z, and then it connects with a backward Z. So it's Z, take that out, up, over, and then down. So it's basically you're drawing Z's all the way across her, all the way across to connect one side of the dress to the other side. And to make the definition above, you'll just draw lines at the points of each point of each Z. And then her dress is layered. It has layers. So we're going to draw the next layer underneath, which looks exactly like the top, but a little more out and a little longer as far as going across. So we'll draw more Z's, and as you draw and as you learn, you'll find techniques that work for you. So while I'm showing you how to do it this way, while you're doing it, you may discover a new way that works best for you. So be sure to use that and be creative and develop your own techniques. I'm here just to help you and give you ideas and maybe suggest ideas until you can find your own. You also can wave them like this. So there's different ways you can make the tool. You can wave them and then you'll bring your detail of the lines wherever you may see or think there's more depth or a curve. So you'll just, and then we'll bring down to, she has 4 layers of her dress. So we're going to bring the 4th layer down after we finish that 3rd layer. And right here, it comes down out, and it's about the same size as the one above. We'll just bring that over, and I'll draw some Z's here. Draw different shapes. So it has a lot of layers, and there's different lines and different flows and different folds. So you can have fun. You can bring lines just like I'm doing around it. It does not have to be perfect. Tulle is fun. So right here, let's go ahead and add her arms. We'll bring that down, bring a line down like so, and curve it in. And we'll curve that. And let's draw the other side of her arm. And you'll just bring a line going up and down like so. And to create on the other side, what we'll do is, let's go ahead and put our line there for her elbow. And on this side, we'll bring that line down, curve it in, bring it in, and we'll match up that side, draw that inside line of her arm and that line of her elbow. And there we go. There are her arms. And here I'm just gonna add a few more details to the line of the top of her dress, to the blouse of her dress. And then let's go ahead and draw her shoes. So here we'll bring a line down right about so, and we'll curve that over. And it kind of looks like a long U. So you'll make a U shape for her boot for each one. And for the inside of that U, we're going to bring 2 lines down like so. And that will be where her shoelaces go. And so we're just going to color that in for the sole of her boots. And let's add her shoelaces right there. And then we'll add 3 little dots on the side to where her shoelaces go through. And just, yep. And let's do the same thing to the other shoe. We'll draw 2 lines, one going that way and one going the opposite way. We'll draw her shoelaces and then the 3 dots on each side, and we'll add her sole. We'll just go back over that some more to create the sole of her boot. And there she is. We got her shoes. Yep. And now what we'll do is we'll add more lines to create more definition and more detail for her dress. Have fun. I hope you have fun with this. Create it like your own. Again, you don't have to follow my techniques. I'm just here to help inspire you to develop your own techniques and to get ideas and just be creative. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share it with a friend. And until next time, friends.